Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. It's day number 3 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar, and I'm really excited again to see that so many of you commented under my video, Mel's and Katarina's. So yes, go over to Mel and Katarina to check out what they've created with day 3. So let me reveal envelope number 3. Let me put it aside. And this one has again nice beautiful pastel color, and it's by Creative Craft Products. It's another brand by Craft Stash. So yeah, oh lovely, these are really nice. These are sentiment stickers, and as you can see they've got white, like mustard, pink, and mint green, and different ones like Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Birthday, thinking of you with love, congratulations, get well soon, hello beautiful, and they're all the same in those different colors. So what I'm going to do, I already know what I want to use because in yesterday's video I actually created something with a new digital collection I received. So yes, let me prepare some elements and I will show you what I want to create. So for today's project, I'm going to use this gingerbread Christmas digital collection. As you can see, it has lots of beautiful elements to fussy cut, patterned papers and sentiments. I'm going to link that one below the video so you can check it out as well. And I picked this dice set by Crafter's Companion. I really love this set because it has multiple layers, so it's so nice to use on simple cards. So I'm going to use both of them. And if you missed my video from yesterday, I did step-by-step tutorial for this gift box, and I love this one, and I use exactly the same collection. So because I had this collection on my desk already, I decided to use it on this very quick and simple Christmas card. I actually haven't done many Christmas cards this year, so I have to do quite a few. So I actually took a A4 card, and I cut it down to 5 7/8 by 4 inches. I wanted to do top fold 4 by 6, but because A4 card doesn't accommodate 6 inches, so that's why I made slightly smaller, but that's fine. So anyway, let me put my mat. My mat is this silver glitter card. I love sparkle for Christmas, and I love blue color as well for Christmas. I prefer to go for non-traditional colors. And if you know my tutorials from last year, maybe you know that I like to go for pink as well for Christmas. So if you're new to my channel, go and have a look at my other tutorials as well. You might find something different. Oh yeah, and as always, remember to check Katarina and Mel because we are doing this collaboration together. It's hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. And if you want to join, and I know some of you are already using that hashtag, which is so nice, then remember to add that hashtag so we can check your work as well. So I actually glue those 3 layers together, and I'm going to adhere it flat. I'm not going to add any dimension this time because I'm going to post this card, and I will prefer to post my Christmas cards just in a standard envelopes because I do send quite a lot. So let me move this one a little bit. I think that's better. And I've got that angel from that collection I showed you before, from the gingerbread Christmas. As you can see, there are lots of wreaths, angels, coffee cups, hot chocolates, muffins, biscuits, all sorts. So if you want to have a look, just check out that link which I'm going to add below the video. For the angel, I decided actually to add some 3D foam pads, and I think that one layer hopefully is going to be okay in the flat envelope. And I like adding layers, so I hope it's not going to be a very long video because I did quite a lot of preparation for that. and it's a very simple card anyway. And I'm really so happy to see so many projects with those past few days. We are only on day 3, but there are so many inspirations on Facebook, on the Papercraft Society group, on a Craft Stash group. It's so nice to see so many of you using the same products, but all those products are completely different, and I love it. Just love looking at your inspirations as well. So yes, I love this one. I hope you like it as well. Looks really simple, but because of the glitter and this beautiful angel, I think it's just stunning. And now, which sentiment to add? I think I'm going to stick it with white. I want to go for that mustard color, but maybe not. Merry Christmas. Yes, let me pick this one. And I think I'm going to keep it simple. Oh, decision. Shall I keep it? That's the problem. I don't want to cover my beautiful angel, so I think I'm going to place it somewhere. Let me see through the camera. I don't know where, but I think I'm going to place it here below. Let me place it gently. No, I think it needs something. It needs something darker underneath it. Okay, I think I'm going to look for something blue. So I decided to match it on this, the same paper I use on my card, and I think it looks really nice. Like you can see that sentiment better. And I was thinking, no, I will actually adhere it on my angel, because now you can see the angel better, and I think the sentiments work so well on, at this place. So let me adhere it. I'm going to adhere it flat, because I think I already added a little bit of dimension, and I think if I want to post it in just a standard envelope, I just don't want to add any more dimension. Yes, and I like it. I hope you like it as well. So as I said, I'm going to link everything below the video, so you can check out this digital collection and that die as well, if it's still available, obviously. So thank you so much for watching. Check out Katarina and Mel as well, and remember about the hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. Go over to your Facebook and check out other inspirations, because there is actually quite a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye for now.